Hello and welcome to Nova STEM. Today I'm going to explain the activity 2.2 in your workbook. Let's get started. To open a new worksheet, first open your spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice Calc. Then click on New Sheet. Or if you're using Excel, you can press Shift plus F11 to create a new sheet instantly. To rename the worksheet, right-click on the Sheet tab, which is usually named Sheet 1. Select Rename from the menu. Type the new name such as Weekend Collection and then press Enter to save the name. To delete a worksheet, simply right-click on the Sheet tab you want to remove, select Delete, and confirm the deletion if prompted. And that's how you manage worksheets in a spreadsheet.
Boom, boom, boom. I can't stop vibing to this tune.